And today we're taking a look at how to clean your gold or silver jewelry, simple and easy. And today we're going to use things that you can find inside your home. And these steps are so simple anyone could do. And this could be used for your gold or silver or even gold filled jewelry. Everything that we use in the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. And the first thing that we're going to need is a bowl, then a couple of drops of dish detergent. And to that, we're going to add some water. And this method is the one that we want to use for our more delicate jewelry to a second, more aggressive cleaning. Let's go ahead and stir, and for that we're going to use a toothbrush. And this is going to be soft and gentle enough that we could use in our jewelry. The first thing that we're going to do, we're going to place our jewelry on the soapy water for 5 minutes. And this is going to help dissolve any stuck on dirt and make it easier when we come back with the brush. And we like using a bowl because in case you have any stones on your jewelry, it could fall off right in the bowl. And this is something you always want to be careful for, and that's why you want to brush gently. As you can see, these are gold filled earrings that have been turning green. And when you think it's time to throw them away, you could give them a second life and maybe use them for a couple of more years before you let them go. After we brush them, we're going to leave it for 5 more minutes on the soapy water. Now we're going to take another clean container with water and rinse it out. And once again, we do this in a bowl instead of the sink in case it has stones, or the last thing you want is to be rinsing your jewelry and then it goes down the drain. And if that does happen, I'm going to leave a link on the description for unclogging the drain video. This next technique can get the shine back from your silver or gold, and that's because the acid on the ketchup or tomato paste penetrate that dirt and grime. So you want to place your jewelry totally covered on the ketchup or tomato paste. You can also use tomato sauce. And once again, we want to leave it there for 5 minutes, totally covered. And we use this technique when your gold or silver is really dirty. And the good thing about this technique, these are things that you're either going to find in your pantry or your fridge. So that means you don't have to go online buying chemicals or to the store. Now, once again, we want to get a bowl with clean water and our toothbrush and remove the ketchup or the tomato paste gently. And then we rinse away until we notice that the jewelry is clean and shiny. This is a great way to save a couple of bucks. And the great thing about this, instead of having to buy a jewelry cleaner or taking this to a professional, if you think about it, a spoon of ketchup, tomato paste, or tomato sauce is just a couple of cents because you're not using the entire can or bottle. As you can see, they're back to new. So now you could go ahead and surprise that special someone. And you can even tell them you spent the big bucks having them clean. But we all know, wink wink, what really happened. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on social media. Thank you for watching. And here's a link to our latest video.